Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going with a friend to see Charli XCX in concert at the newly renovated Massey Hall. The renovations to the 127-year-old venue include a new addition with bathrooms, a new bar, and elevators for accessibility that is connected to the auditorium by a floating walkway, which is accented by the restored stained glass windows. We arrived during the opening set for Baby Tate, who brought a lot of energy and hyped up the crowd for Charli. It was so exciting to be back in person for a live concert instead of viewing it on a computer screen. Charli XCX was here in support of her 80s influenced #1 album, Crash. The energy in the room was electric, with everyone up on their feet singing and dancing for the entire show. What was your first post-pandemic concert? Let me know in the comments.